Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for December 1 to 15, 2025. First half ng December, let's see the energy. Paalala lang, reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, ito lang po yung account ko, no? Ang handle is at Mr. Queen PH. Yan yung username. Yan yung handle. So, baka malin lang kayo ng ibang mga nagpapanggap na ako. Kasi, nire-re-upload nila yung video ko. Ninanakaw ang aking video. At nagpapanggap na ako. So, maging maingat sa ganyan. Dito lang kayo sa original. Okay, let's see. Tingnan natin. Ano yung energies for you? Update for Sagittarius. Ngayong December 1 to 15. December 1 to 15 for Sagittarius. Okay, overall energy, you have the King of Pentacles. Your challenge is the Page of Swords. Opportunity, the Moon. And the blessing is the Queen of Wands. Okay, I see freedom. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Strength card. Ito yung confidence, lakas ng loob, no? Your courage. Maaring mas babalik na yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo kung dati parang pinanghinaan ka ng loob, no? So ngayon, you are ready to start again. Or you have the Ace of Cups. This can be start of a new relationship or maaring pagbabalik ng pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo kasi dati parang nakalimutan mo yung sarili mo, pinabayaan mo, and now you are loving yourself more. You have the Three of Pentacles. This is about expansion. Expansion ng career, expansion ng business. You are networking, collaborating more. You are being more creative rin. You also have the Sun, diba? Vitality, power, energy. Ang lakas ng energy ninyo ngayon. Maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong Leo sa inyong natal chart or placements ninyo. So, eto na, andito na yung liwanag. Andito na yung liwanag, Sagittarius. It's time to, step into your own power, be more confident in what you do. Kasi ikaw ay i-recognize, maraming tao ang nagugustuhan ang ginagawa mo. People will admire you more. You have the Nine of Cups, meron ditong wish fulfillment. Okay? Meron kang mga mapufulfill na mga wishes, mga sinet mo na goals mo, so matutupad mo yan. Two of Pentacles is also about being very busy. So, meron kang mga iba't ibang ganap sa buhay ngayong first half ng December. So, your overall energy, the King of Pentacles, this is a very stable energy when it comes to your resources, your career, your business. So, focus ka on the kaperahan, sa abundance. Very abundant yung energy mo ngayon. Now, your challenge is the Page of Swords. This is about communication. So, baka merong makaalitan or makasamaan ng loob, meron kayong masabi na hindi nyo pinag-iisipan at merong masaktan kayo, no? Sa sinasabi nyo. Or, this can be, someone na ini-expect mo na makikipag-communicate sa'yo, tapos wala, hindi siya nakikipag-communicate. Now, your opportunity is Pisces energy. The Moon. The Moon is about your emotions, your instinct. So, meron ka opportunity ngayon to tap into your sensitivity. No? Maaring mas maging malakas yung instinct mo. Alam mo agad kung isang sitwasyon or tao ay makakabuti or makakasama sa'yo. So, maganda yan kasi guide mo rin yan. There's also an opportunity to reveal something. Maaring merong kang ipapahayag, i-reveal na katotohanan, or vice versa, merong magre-reveal ng katotohanan sa'yo. So, that is about enlightenment. Now, your blessing is the Queen of Wands, which is an energy of someone na malakas, someone na very confident sa kanyang sarili. So definitely yung confidence mo, yan yung blessing mo. Yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng mas marami pang opportunities. Yung iba sa inyo, may travel opportunities, and then entrepreneurship. So maaaring kayo magbi-business. Or kung may business na kayo, mas lalago yung negosyo nyo or source of income nyo. Let's see, ano yung energy sa money, career, finances for Sagittarius first half. You have the Magician. Oh, manifestation. You are manifesting your dream life, your dream career, your dream job. So, keep on stepping into your own power. And yan din ay learning, no? Sa maaring may mga i-improve ka sa knowledge mo, sa skill set mo. You have the, diba? The Ace of Swords. Meron kang, it's like a eureka moment for you. Eureka moment na marirealize mo, uy, this is a great opportunity or a great inspiration or idea. Oo. So, mas magiging creative ka rin using your gifts, your talents, your skills in your career, in your business, in your finances. I think pagdating sa pag-aalaga ng kaperahan mo, mas magiging hands-on ka. Yung tipong nagre-research ka rin kung paano mo mas mapauunlad yung finances mo. Like saving money, investing money. Now, your love life is the Strength card and the Nine of Swords. Okay, some of you pwedeng may challenges sa relationship pero nagpapakatatag kayo. Oo. Tinatry nyong magstay sa isang relasyon kahit na medyo stressful na sa inyo. Oo. So, syempre, kailangan i-reassess mo rin yan if it's, it's still healthy for you to stay in that relationship or subukan ng umalis, 'di ba? Oo, kasi kung lagi ka nang stressed and it's not really doing something good na sa buhay mo, ano pang reason, 'di ba, para magstay? But some of you malalakas ang loob nyo eh. Kinakaya nyo eh. Oy, new beginnings. Beautiful. May new beginnings for you. This can be a new beginning sa career, sa trabaho, or anything na bago sa routine ninyo, sa pang-araw-araw ninyo. This can be a new mindset as well. Oy, gratitude. Something that you will be thankful for. Okay? So, tignan natin in what area of life yung new beginnings na yan. Okay, second house. Second house is your talents, your skill set. So like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, maaring meron kayong ma-acquire na skills. Pag-aaralan nyo, may training kayo, tapos yan yung pwede mong magamit, no, para mapaunlad mo yung sarili mo. Or sumubok ng mga bagong oportunidad. Second house is also your finances. So meron new beginnings, pwedeng may bago ring source of income sa inyo, na kung saan kayo ay magiging masaya sa pagdating ng bagong source of income na yan. And the more na grateful kayo sa blessings na nare-receive nyo, the more blessings are coming. Tingnan ba natin? Person of air. So this can be the person that you are dealing with, or ito yung mas analytical and logical kang mag-isip. Oo, iniiwasan mo na masyadong maging emotional. Kumbaga, alam mo kung kailan mo gagamitin yung emosyon mo, yung puso mo, at alam mo rin kung kailan gagamitin ang isip mo, ang utak mo. Oo, sa pagdedesisyon. Wow! May abundance. May fertility, may harvest. So, some of you, yung mga nasimulan yung trabaho, projects, anything creative, ayan na, lumalabas na yung resulta. Okay? So, ngayon, ayan na, nagbubunga na yung mga pinaghirapan nyo, yung mga sacrifices ninyo. Makikita nyo na yung results. Union of opposites. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, may nakatago kasi. May revelation. So, something will be revealed. In what area of life yung revelation na to? Second house, pagdating sa pera mo, or even yung iyong natural talents, you will be able to discover who you really are. Ano yung mga kakayanan mo na akala mo ay hindi mo kaya or wala kang talento doon. Pero nung nag-take ng action ka, sinubukan mo, ayun, na-discover mo, ay, pwede pala. Oo. May talent ka pala. Okay, find your voice and free your spirit. Find your voice. Voice is about your your communication, your thoughts. So, mas magiging expressive ka sa nararamdaman mo, sa naiisip mo. Pwede yung iba sa inyo is into creative writing and you are going to free your spirit. Free-spirited. Ibig sabihin, malaya kang nagagawa yung gusto mo. Wow, ang ganda naman ng energy na to for you, Sagittarius. So, that is your reading. Thank you so much. See you again.